Hey beautiful people, it's Ashley here from Elemental Growth with a question about how do I raise my frequency when it comes to health and money. And you know, we all know it's all about the energy, right? So I am attuned as a Reiki Master. I study energy. I love energy. I love raising your guys' energy through food, through enlightenment, through mindset and psychedelics and just getting out in nature and aligning to nature's messages. You know, I feel like that's where the most energy comes from, is the natural abundant sources that we find in nature. And so if you want to really raise your frequency, the best way that you can do that is by raising your quality of food. That's simple. So that means, you know, eating the rainbow, an abundance of, you know, really vibrant foods in all different colors. And I'm not talking about Skittles. I'm talking about real whole foods, you know. So you're going to want whites are a really good one. So like onions, mushrooms, garlic, really, really good. Then we can get into like the purples and the blacks and the blues. You can get into also the greens, and we all know the greens. Greens actually encompass the entire rainbow in the greens too. The green is like literally like our blood, even though, well, it's the blood of the plants, that's why it's green, but it really helps our blood, which really gives us a really good flow and energy. And then we get into some of the other colors, yellows, which also includes a lot of different oils, and then reds, oranges, all that kind of stuff. You really want to at least have 2 different colors each meal. If you can aim to have all of them, the entire rainbow each meal, you're golden. You know, that's great. Smoothies today, like, we're so blessed that we get to make smoothies and juices, and we can even go to stores and purchase these kinds of things from people who care about what we're eating as well, and running these places. So, you know, there's tons of options there. There's no excuse why you can't be doing this. That's going to be probably the best way. Another way is to get back in touch with nature in other ways. Align your elements in other ways. So get around water. If you don't have a water source near you, really set intention while you're in the shower washing your body that's cleansing you, that it's helping drain your lymphatic system. It's, you know, having those kind of mindsets as you're doing these mundane tasks really, really helps. And even gratitude for it. You know, I'm doing the dishes, I'm washing my hands, you know, I'm so grateful that I have running water. You know, those kind of things are really going to help you cultivate more health and wealth in a very natural way. All right, you guys, I hope you find this helpful. I love you all so much, and sending you much love and positivity on your elemental growth journey.